Ricotta pancakes, easy like Sunday morning. Get 2 bowls and 5 eggs. We need to separate egg yolks and egg whites. Try not to get any egg yolk in whites, because otherwise it's not gonna whip. And your bowl should be where you're gonna be whipping egg whites, very clean, otherwise it's not gonna whip. I got today those happy eggs, and I don't know how those eggs are happy, but they make me happy because look at those egg yolks. They are all different color. It's so beautiful. There you go, last one. So let's put whites on the side. So in the egg yolks we add 4 tablespoons of sugar, ricotta. I have exact measurements on my website, SweetZivile.com. So, and let's mix that together. Add milk. You can use any milk you want. I'm using just a regular milk. You can use almond or oat milk. It will work just fine. Vanilla. Let's put it aside. And now we need to whip egg whites very well. It just has to be stiff peaks. It took me literally 2 minutes, and how to see if they are ready? Book. So it's very stiff. Then grab the flour, add poppy seeds, baking powder, then to the mixture add lemon zest, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, almost the whole lemon. Mix well and add flour little by little. Don't need to mix for a long time, just to incorporate. Then take egg whites, add approximately 1/3 of egg whites. Mix it quickly in. The rest just fold it in. What that means, fold it in just like this. You just kind of cut and turn, cut and turn. That way you keep the whole air. We just whipped in egg whites. Add some oil to the pan and preheat it. Let's give it a try. It's delicious, it's not too sweet, it's not too lemony, not too many poppy seeds. It's just perfect for Sunday morning. Enjoy! I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.